guys, how's it going today? Got some real cool tools to show you. Air nibbler and some shears. Air nibblers are pretty cool. You can cut out shapes real easy with them, but here's what we're working on. Got the front all pulled off of it. Nice temporary fuel system in. So what we're doing here, dotted line is cut. That's where the overlap should sit, and then spot welds. There's some pretty nasty little holes here we're gonna patch up. So got a couple new cab supports we're gonna put in. Pretty cool old truck. Tack weld a piece of like sheet metal that looks like angle iron, and then come out with the plate that's inside, and then spot weld it together. So that should fix that. Kind of a template made for the sheet metal. Fit down there nice. Grill's in real nice shape. Fenders, not so much. All right, let's get some work done. Bumper and that front piece off. Then we started to hack out the floor and redo this cab mount. Coming along pretty good. Got our sheet metal all marked out. It's ready to cut. The template we used. Got our hose down with some degreaser even. Get her right shiny. It's kind of nice that there's no rust up here, eh? Yeah. It's pretty clean.
That's where they rust.
Yeah.
Above the windshield, under that lip.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-da.